This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by positioning the microphone array 2 to 4 meters away, facing the typical speaker location. This reduces direct noise and improves beamforming. Once the device is powered, enable far-field mode in firmware or app settings and confirm microphone permissions on your host OS. Make sure network and power are stable. Unstable Wi-Fi causes packet loss and latency. If using multiple mics, sync clocks and run an initial calibration to align delays and levels before proceeding to advanced tuning. Next, run a multi-angle calibration. Record a test phrase from each expected speaker position so the array learns spatial signatures. Once done, enable beamforming and acoustic echo cancellation, then set automatic gain control conservatively to prevent clipping. Make sure the signal chain routes through the AEC before noise suppression. Check raw waveforms and SNR measures in the monitoring tool. If speech is muffled, reduce suppression by 1 to 3 decibels and retest. Continue iterating until wake word and ASR accuracy stabilize. To finish, validate with real user commands at various distances and realistic background noise. You should measure wake word detection, false accepts, and ASR transcription accuracy across conditions. If you see misses, lower sensitivity or collect additional samples for retraining. If false accepts increase, raise threshold or tighten VAD. Make sure to log examples for each failure mode. Troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, swap the microphone. Check for RF interference and update firmware. Often hardware or EMI is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.